Benny the Bear goes B. Benny the Bear loves to pick blueberries, but today he was bothered by a buzzing bee. Benny swatted the bee away, saying B. The bee kept buzzing, and Benny kept swatting. B, B, B. Finally, the bee buzzed away, and Benny got to enjoy his blueberries. Can you swat the bee away like Benny? Pretend there is a bee buzzing in your ear and swat it away with your hand, making a B sound. The letter B makes a B sound. When you see the letter B, remember to go B like Benny.